20 classic cars, all listed for under $5,000. They range from a Plymouth Sport Fury and a Corvette to a Nova with a rebuilt V8 and even a Camaro. Some still run and drive. Others are complete projects waiting for the right owner. 1. 1971 Plymouth Sport Fury, $4,900. Starting the list is a 1971 Plymouth Sport Fury located near Roanoke, Virginia. This large two-door Mopar cruiser is powered by a 360 V8 paired with a rebuilt 727 automatic transmission. According to the seller, the car runs well and has been garage kept for most of its life. It recently received a new vinyl top, new tires, and a refreshed bucket seat interior. The rare factory AM/FM radio still works, and the driver's side power seat is functional as well. Structurally, the seller states there is no rust in the frame or floor, although there are small rust spots on the body and some in the trunk floor. Overall, it appears to be a solid classic that could look even better with a fresh paint job. 2. 1974 Jaguar XJ12, $3,900. Next is a 1974 Jaguar XJ12 sedan located in Indiana, and this one has an interesting modification. Instead of the original V12 engine, it now features a Chevrolet 350 V8 swap, which can make maintenance easier compared to the factory drivetrain. The seller says the car runs and drives and has recently received new wheels and tires along with updated gauges. The interior is currently partially disassembled and still needs to be put back together. Despite that, the car presents an unusual mix of British luxury styling and American V8 power. Three. 1949 Plymouth Super Deluxe, $3,900. This 1949 Plymouth Super Deluxe shows about 41,000 miles and still starts and runs. The seller says the car can move around the lot under its own power, although the brakes are very weak and will need attention before it can be driven safely. Several maintenance items have already been addressed, including a new carburetor, a tune-up, and a voltage regulator. The tires hold air and the car appears complete, although there is rust on the floorboards from older repairs. With some brake work and minor restoration, it could become a decent vintage summer cruiser. 4. 1959 Rambler sedan, $3,200. Next is a 1959 Rambler four-door sedan that has spent years sitting as a display vehicle in front of a shop. It has a six-cylinder engine with an automatic transmission and the distinctive push-button shifter system used by Rambler in that era. The seller notes that the car has not been started in many years and they have not attempted to run it. Because of that, it will likely require a full mechanical inspection before returning to the road. Still, the car includes a clean title and appears to be a complete classic from the late 1950s. Five. 1976 Chevrolet Corvette, $2,500. This 1976 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe is offered as an inexpensive restoration project. The car shows about 84,000 miles and still retains its original engine. The seller says the vehicle does not currently run, but believes it could be made to run again with some work. One issue mentioned is rust in the rear section of the frame on the driver's side, which may need repair. Aside from that, it appears to be a complete Corvette with a good title. For someone looking for a low-cost entry into classic Corvette ownership, this could be an interesting project.
6. 1979 Chevrolet Camaro, $1,500. Next is a 1979 Chevrolet Camaro project priced at only $1,500. The seller states that the car previously ran and comes with a rebuilt Turbo 400 transmission. It has been sitting for some time, but one positive detail mentioned is that the frame rails are rust-free. That can be an important factor for a restoration project of this age. With the right mechanical work and some patience, it could eventually return to the road as a late 1970s muscle car project. Seven. 1966 Chrysler 300 convertible, $3,500. Here, we have a 1966 Chrysler 300 convertible equipped with a V8 engine and automatic transmission. According to the seller, the car was last on the road around 2015 and was briefly started a few years ago using a temporary fuel supply. The vehicle will require a full restoration, especially because the leaking convertible top caused damage to the rear floor sections. It also comes with a rear console and tachometer option. Even though it needs significant work, large vintage convertibles like this are becoming increasingly difficult to find. (8) 1975 MG Midget, $2,000. Next is a 1975 MG Midget, a small British sports car known for its lightweight design and simple mechanics. The seller says the car has been owned for about 5 years and has been running and driving well during that time. It does need bodywork in several areas, but mechanically it is described as a strong runner with good tires that still have plenty of life left. Cars like the MG Midget are often popular with enthusiasts who enjoy smaller classic roadsters. (9) 1974 Ford F100, $3,000. This 1974 Ford F100 long bed pickup is equipped with a 302 V8 engine and an automatic transmission. According to the seller, the truck runs and drives well, and everything on the vehicle is said to work properly. It comes with a clean title and has had only 2 owners. The seller does mention some rust in the floor pans, which is fairly common for trucks of this era. Still, it appears to be a usable vintage pickup that could serve as a weekend cruiser or light project. (7) 1972 Chevrolet Monte Carlo, $4,900. Closing the first group is a 1972 Chevrolet Monte Carlo Custom. This car comes with a 350 engine, automatic transmission, bucket seats, and a center console. It also features a full gauge cluster that includes a tachometer, speedometer, and clock, along with a 12-bolt rear axle. According to the seller, the car has not been started or cranked in several years. Because of that, it will likely require mechanical work before it can run again. However, early 1970s Monte Carlos remain popular among classic car fans due to their styling and performance potential.
(11) 1968 Cadillac Deville, $2,300. Starting the second half of the list is a 1968 Cadillac Deville convertible located in Pennsylvania. The car shows about 78,000 miles and still has its original 472 V8 engine and automatic transmission. According to the seller, the vehicle appears to be mostly complete and includes a clear title. Structurally, the frame is described as solid, although some areas such as the hood, trunk lid, and lower front fenders show visible rust. The trunk itself is said to be in decent shape, while the floor has a few damaged spots that may need repair. The seller hasn't attempted to start the engine recently, so its running condition is unknown. Even so, classic Cadillacs from this era are known for their large luxury styling and smooth ride. (12) 1973 Lincoln Mark Series Designer Edition, $4,400. Next is a 1973 Lincoln Mark Series Coupe with a Bill Blast designer package located in Maryland. The car reportedly has around 75,000 miles and is described as running strong. Several mechanical components have recently been replaced, including the water pump, alternator, and fuel pump. It also received a new Flowmaster exhaust system and a fresh tune-up. The seller says the air conditioning system works but may need a recharge. The car still wears its original paint, which now shows light rust spots and would benefit from a new paint job. Despite that, it's described as a comfortable cruiser that still drives well. (13) 1960 Chevrolet Sedan Project, $3,500. Next is a 1960 Chevrolet project car located in North Carolina. The seller describes the body as solid overall, with good glass and trim still in place. At some point, the floor and trunk panels were cut out in preparation for replacement, but the new metal floor pans and braces are included with the sale. Because of this unfinished work, the car will require restoration before it can return to the road. The listing is posted on behalf of an older owner who is selling the vehicle with a clear title. For someone willing to continue the restoration, it could become a solid early 1960s Chevrolet project. (14) 1979 Subaru GL four-wheel drive wagon, $3,000. Next is a 1979 Subaru GL wagon located in Georgia. This early four-wheel drive wagon features a 4-speed manual transmission and Subaru's 1.6-liter EA71 flat-4 engine. The seller says the car has been owned for about 8 years and is willing to provide additional photos and information to serious buyers. Vehicles like this were known for their simple mechanical design and surprisingly capable all-wheel drive systems. Early Subaru wagons have become harder to find today, which may make this one appealing to enthusiasts of vintage Japanese cars. (15) 1965 Ford Galaxy 500, $2,000. Next is a 1965 Ford Galaxy 500 project located in Georgia. The car has been sitting in storage for more than 7 years and still retains its original 352 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. According to the seller, the engine will run, although the vehicle will likely require additional work before it can be driven regularly. The seats were recently recovered but have not yet been reinstalled in the car. Because the vehicle has been sitting for so long, the seller recommends bringing a trailer when picking it up. It could serve as either a restoration project or a parts car.
(16) 1968 Lincoln Continental, $1,500. This 1968 Lincoln Continental sedan is offered as a very inexpensive project. The seller states that the body is solid overall and the engine runs well. However, the car currently has no working brakes, which means it will need repairs before it can safely be driven. The chrome trim and most exterior pieces are included with the car. Classic Lincoln Continentals from the late 1960s are known for their distinctive styling and large luxury design, making them interesting restoration candidates even when they need mechanical work. (17) 1972 Chevrolet Nova, $4,500. Next is a 1972 Chevrolet Nova equipped with a rebuilt 350 V8 engine and a Monte M21 4-speed manual transmission. The seller states that the engine was recently rebuilt with new internal components and upgraded cylinder heads capable of handling significantly more horsepower. Additional upgrades include a new aluminum radiator, aluminum intake manifold, and a brand new 600 CFM carburetor. The car also features a factory-style 4-speed console and shifter. While the rear seat needs to be recovered, the seller says it is included with the vehicle. (18) 1974 Jeep CJ5 Renegade, $4,400. Next is a 1974 Jeep CJ5, equipped with a 304 V8 engine and a 4-speed manual transmission. The vehicle also includes power steering and locking front hubs. According to the seller, the Jeep runs and can be driven around the yard, although the carburetor may need adjustment. Several components have recently been replaced, including the starter, battery, distributor, and water pump. The seller reports good oil pressure and no visible smoke from the engine. Classic CJ5 models are known for their simple off-road design and rugged capability. 1974 Chevrolet Chevelle Malibu, $2,500. Next is a 1974 Chevrolet Chevelle Malibu located in Kentucky. The car is equipped with a 400 small block V8 engine and an automatic transmission. The seller does not provide many details about the current mechanical condition, but the car is described as a complete vehicle with around 100,000 miles. Even though the Chevelle name is most famous for earlier muscle car years, the mid-1970s models still share much of the same classic styling. At $2,500, it could be an affordable starting point for a restoration or project build. $20. 1974 Dodge D150 pickup, $700. Closing the list is a 1974 Dodge D150 long bed pickup priced at just $700. The truck has a 318 V8 engine with an automatic transmission and reportedly runs and drives well. The main issue mentioned by the seller is a leaking radiator that needs replacement. The floorboards are also heavily rusted, which will require repair. The truck does not come with the wheels currently shown in the listing, but another set with older snow tires is included. Despite its rough condition, the low price and running drivetrain make it a potential farm truck or restoration project. So which one would you choose? The Corvette, the Nova, or the Jeep? Let me know in the comments and follow for more real classic car finds under $5,000.